Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.